How to make a private story on Snapchat on Android. This tutorial shows you how to create a story that only specific people can see. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. From there, tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap Add next to Private Stories. At this point, select the friends you want to add to your private story from your friends list. Following this, tap Create Story once you've selected everyone you want to include. From here, give your private story a name and tap Save. After that, your private story will now appear on your profile page. Tap on it and tap Add Snap to start posting to it. Finally, only the friends you selected will be able to view the snaps you post to that story. Anyone not on the list won't see it at all. That's how you create a private story on Snapchat on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.